Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on science, and I'm going to explain to you how to go through the Google form page, okay? Some of you have been telling me that the letters are too small. All you have to do is click on the top three dots on the right side of your screen, and you can just zoom in from there. You can make it bigger so you can see the letters, okay? So here, boys and girls, this week we're going to be learning about stages of animal life cycles. So what are some animal life cycles? So here, by the end of the lesson, you'll be able to develop a model to describe the stages of an animal's life cycle. So here on the first slide, the question is, which photo shows the adult stage of the animal below? The first thing you have to do is read, boys and girls. You have to read through the page before you answer anything. Okay, let me show you. Can you explain it? This adult is in its early stage of its life cycle. It does not look like the adult it will become. It has just hatched from an egg. Now it is eating to prepare for its next stage in its life cycle. So here you have three photographs labeled A, B, and C. Which photo shows the adult stage of the animal above? What makes you think this is the adult stage of the larva? So all you have to do here, boys and girls, is choose the picture that you think shows or demonstrates the adult stage of the animal. Okay, so you choose one. Then you go on to the next slide. It says, look at the pictures of dogs in different life stages. Read the captions too. Then use the word bank to put the stages in order. Answer below. Stage by stage. You're going to have to read through it, boys and girls. Look at the photographs, read the captions, and then right here, you're going to tell me the stages in the correct order. So you're going to have to put these words right here. This is your word box in the correct order right here. And then all you would have to do is just type it in there. Okay? So, and then you would go to the next page. And then what can scientists learn about penguins tagged with tracking devices? There's two answers for this one. Again, you have to read through the page. Analyze the pictures. This one has two correct answers, so make sure you click on two. Okay, and on the last page for today, boys and girls, you're going to be comparing and contrasting. So on the lines below, tell how the stages are alike and different. An example would be they are alike because the adult feeds the baby. They are different because some hatch in eggs and some don't. So here, boys and girls, you're going to have to make sure you read through it. I need one sentence on how they're alike, and I need one sentence on how they are different. Okay, so make sure that you type in two complete sentences, capital letters and periods, punctuation, please, boys and girls, because some of you are not putting your punctuation. You need to make sure you do that. Okay, I hope this video helped you understand how you're supposed to complete your science lesson for today. Have a nice afternoon. Bye.